Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Tushar Prajapati. Today we are showing the CCNA practical BGP. The full form of BG is the Border Gateway Protocol. Before that we have seen so many practicals like static routing, dynamic routing, RIP, EIGRP, OSP, which are running on the link state as well as advanced distance vector routing protocol, and they are also on called as a IGP, Interior Gateway Protocol. Now we are showing the BGP is a EGP, is Exterior Gateway Protocol. Generally BGP used in ISP sites. We cannot use our internal organization. Suppose one big organization have working on two different type of ISP, then they configure the border gateway protocol. But today we are showing the basic configuration of BGP. So let's start. These are the our topologies. Three routers with three different autonomous system numbers: AS100, AS200, AS300. Then we have given the router ID of each as well as two different IP address for loopback like 100 and 101. A network is 10.10.1. All the are class 3 networks. First router have 10.10.1, second router has two networks, 10 as well as 20, and third one has a 20. Now we are showing the configuration. Firstly, router 1. First we go to enable. Now we have given the host name first. Host name is R1. Now start the first configuration. Interface serial, which serial number is 0/0/0. IP address is 10.10.1/255.255.255.0. Now running the no shutdown command. Now we have to clear the clock rate is 64,000, but when we are configuring live router, then ISP already provide the clock rate, so we have generally taken the in packet tracer 64,000. Now exit for the router 1. Now we have to configure loopback. Interface. First we have configured interface loopback 0. It's showing up. Now provide IP address is 100.100.1/255.255.255.0, as well as we have secondary configures interface loopback 1. IP address is 101.101.1/255.255.255.0. Now we can show all the configuration by this command: show IP interface brief. Now we can see the first one to loopback address is showing up, but serial port is not showing up, it's showing down because we have to configure the another IP address, like in a router 2. Now first we have to know another thing. We have to give on the router ID. So configuration, then router BGP, which is our, you can see that we have to give an autonomous number, but by default our autonomous number is 100. Now we have to give on the network ID. GP router ID for router 1 is 1.1.1. Now we have given the router ID. Now exit from that. Now that configuration is over for router 1. Similarly, go to second router. Press no and configuration T. Now firstly give the host name is R2. First is IP. First interface is face serial 0/1/0. IP address is 10.10.10.2 for second router. 255.255.0. Now register no shutdown. Now you can show the green light because port are showing up. Now coming out from second router, interface serial 0/0/1. IP address is 20.20.255.255.250. Now shutdown. And for router 2. Now one thing we have to do is give the router ID. First we have to go for BGP. AS number is 200. Now we are coming, then give the router ID is 2.2.2. Now exit. Now we have to go for third router. Interface, there is one interface serial 0/0/0. IP address is 20.20.10.2. 20.20.2/255.255.255.0. Now shutdown, we have to give clock rate 400. Now exit router 3. Now we have to give the router BGP is 300 is autonomous system number, then BGP router ID is 3.3.3.3. exit. Now you can show IP route. Now we have finished all our configuration. Now we can see the basic of that, how we can see the loopback address on router 2 or router 3 from router 1 with the help of BGP routing commands. So let's see for that. To perform this activity we have to use two commands. One is network command, second one is neighbor command. This network command is used for routing, perform routing, and neighbor command is used for to do the relationship one router to another router. Now let's perform one by one router. First we have to give in router number. We have forgotten one thing for router 3. We have filled. Now we have to see for router 1. Go to configuration mode. Now first we have to go for router mode. The BGP autonomous number is 100. Now for we have to go for neighbor command. See, the neighbor is neighbor address. Now router 1 neighbor address is router 2 and its IP address have 2 neighbor like a 10.10.10.2. We can see the remote AS as well as next hop, so we can go for remote AS. Remote AS is AS number of router 2 is 200. Now these are the neighbor. Now this configuration is done for router 1. Now go to router 2. Router BGP 200 neighbor. Now router 2 has a 2 neighbor, router 1 and router 3. First for 10.10.10.1, remote AS is 100. Now we can see the neighbor relationship is up. Now similarly go for neighbor for 20.20.20.2, remote OS is 300 for router 3. It's not showing up because we have two remaining for configuration for router number 3. Now go to router number 3. The BGP is 300, then neighbor 20.20.21, then remote OS is 200. Now we can see all that is up. Now we have to perform network command for all of them because neighbor relation is configured. Now for network command we have to go for network command. Router BGP 100. Now network command is first network for loopback address is 10.100.100.1 is mask. See the mask or network, the mask is 255 dot, because we are using class 3 dot 0. This is a loopback address 1. Similarly for network 101.101.10.1 mask 255.255.25.0. Now done for this configuration of network commands. Now for we can see the output is IP route for normal routing output. We can see these are the directly connected, all that. Now we can just show IP BGP. These are the BGP for 100. These are the weight 32678. Now these are the BGP output. Similarly you can go for show IP route. Now you can see there two are directly connected and one is to another two. You can see that are we get with the use of BGP from router 1 to router 2, like 100 and 101. We can see in routing table. Similarly show IP BGP we can also see in BGP table. Similarly we can go for router 3, then exit show IP route. There are one directly connected and two is BGP, because we get from router 1 to loopback, both the loopback address on router 3 with the help of BGP command like show IP BGP. These are the two for BGP. So that's our practical of BGP successful. This is the basic configuration, because you have to do more things on live router. These are the basic configuration of BGP. Especially is external BGP, not a IBGP. We cannot perform IBGP in Cisco packet tracers. So if you like more this video, you can subscribe my channel to and press the bell icon to watch more video. Thank you.